In today's video, I'll teach you how to upload video on Instagram Lite. So first of all, launch up an Instagram Lite application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Instagram Lite application has been opened. So if you want to upload the video, it is actually very simple. You can upload the video in the story or you can also create the post if you want. If you want to upload the video in the story, tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. If you want to upload the video in your feed, tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to select the video that you can upload. You can either select the option for post, story or reel. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, tap on the video that you would like to upload. You can also select multiple by tapping on this option, select multiple, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to trim the video if you want. For that, tap on the trim option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to drag the edges in order to trim the video. After you're done, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now likewise, you'll also be able to add the music. You can also add the stickers. Also, you'll be able to add the text. Simply tap on the option of your choice and add the sticker, text or music that you want. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add the caption, tag people, add location and add music. You can also edit the cover if you want. For that, tap on this option, edit cover, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the cover. Simply select the cover of your choice and tap on the done option. Likewise, enter the caption over here. You can also mention somebody and add the hashtag if you want. If you want to tag people, tap on the option tag people. After you do that, you'll be able to tag the users. Also, you'll be able to add the location and music accordingly. Now tap on this option share that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your video has been uploaded. Now it will display on your profile. So like this, you'll be able to upload the video. So that is how you upload video on Instagram Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.